People walk into a court, they put their hand on the Bible, and they swear to tell the truth. Very rarely do they do that. Maybe they want to do it, but they've been coaxed into not doing it, whether it's by the prosecutors, the law enforcement agents behind them, therapists. Anyone can impact a potential witness. Law enforcement witnesses, make no mistake about it, teach witnesses how to shade the truth. They themselves shade the truth when they're on the witness stand. They manipulate witnesses to have a different memory than potentially the real facts, because they understand how it plays before a jury. And maybe you would not lie or hope to lie when you took the witness stand, but you haven't been subjected to the guiles of the system, the people who seek to make you adopt their version because that will achieve the outcome that perhaps you and certainly they want. Why do prosecutors do that? Why do law enforcement people do that? Law enforcement people generally do it because they really believe that you're guilty, or they believe that there should be consequences for whatever your conduct has been. And so they believe they are on the side of the angels, like prosecutors in part, but prosecutors have other agendas. They want to either advance within their office, become a supervisor, or win big cases and be able to go into private practice and demand big fees. Judges also want to see the outcome that they desire. And so they will manipulate the system during the course of a trial. What you get is a false bravado by the judges, seemingly sincere, because at the end they want you to listen to their instructions and the way in which they intonate those instructions to have you do what they think the outcome should be. Never think that the judges don't have a motivation. Some want to be administrative judges and considered to be a winning judge and someone who accomplishes what the government wants or the state prosecutors want is a way to elevate them. It's a way to get up to an appellate court. It's a way to be considered for the Supreme Court. And every judge has that on his mind. Many years ago, we had the dean of Fordham Law School who became a federal judge in Brooklyn Federal Court. He was a liberal, wonderful guy. Got on the bench and every decision he made was conservative. And people asked him, why? Why, Joe? Why did you do that? And he said, I want to go on the Court of Appeals. And he made it. So that's the reality. And we have to consider that, and that's what this show is going to consider and what we're going to explore. This is Injustice for All.